guys, it's Chelsea and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't hesitate to click the subscribe button and the bell button so you'll get notified whenever I post another video. For today's video, gusto ko magpakita sa inyo ng holiday outfit ideas. I'm sorry dahil Pasko na bukas and I should have done this video like a week ago or a couple of weeks ago. Pero ngayon ko lang kasi naisipan and itong papakita ko sa inyo is very affordable, very effortless. Di mo na kailangan pang mahirapan mag-style, ganyan. Or, dahil nga Christmas na bukas, and if you're watching this video, if you're thinking, wala na akong time, or if you don't have a budget to buy clothes, or to buy something para pumorma tomorrow, then, basically, you don't have to do it. You can, scan your closet and find something that's that gives a holiday vibe, and, ayun na yun. Just wear something you're comfortable in. And ngayon nga, bibigyan ko nga kayo ng 5 outfit ideas that you can just easily throw on yourself and you're good to go for Christmas. Without further ado, let's get started. So first off is this top. Itong spaghetti strap na to. Actually, di siya spaghetti. Parang, parang sotanghon strap. And it's color maroon, very holiday vibes. And yung material niya is, I don't know, hindi ako magaling mag-describe na. Oh, polyester and spandex. Did I say that right? Basta ito siya. And guys, did you know that I got this in the Ukay Ukay for only 10 pesos? So kapag magaling kang maghanap or if you have time pa later, you can simply scan sa Ukay Ukay and then you'll find something. I'm pretty sure you'll find something. Next naman is this reddish brown, parang burgundy bodycon dress. Sobrang haba niya guys. It extends hanggang sa ankle ko. This one is from H&M. And yung sleeves niya is short lang. I mean, parang ganito lang. Parang ganyan. So, ito, very simple, yet I think very classy and elegant ang dating niya. It's perfect for family gatherings, same Christmas, and you can simply pair it with white sneakers, and you're good to go. Is this crop 3/4 na red and white stripes na actually gift to ng tita ko sa akin last Christmas and kasya pa rin siya sa akin hanggang ngayon. Di ko nga siya masyadong nasusuot because it's super short. I can't wear it to school. So kapag mga special occasions ko lang siya nasusuot. This one is from the brand Charlie. Is hindi pang holiday yung color niya, pero pang holiday yung vibe na binibigay niya. This one is a dress na parang medyo pa-ruffle yung sleeves niya and medyo pa ganon yung cut niya. I'm not good at describing clothes. So, I got this sa Ukay Ukay and it cost me 120 pesos lang ata. So, ayun. Ang ganda-ganda niya. For me, it looks very classy. From Zara! Oh my God. From Zara pala tong dress na to. So, kaya pala maganda yung binibigay niya. And it's polka dotted. So, you can wear it sa New Year. And lastly is itong parang coral or parang medyo malapit na nga siya sa orange but it's not orange. Ang pangit ng register niya sa camera. So, ganito lang siya. It's very simple and parang medyo may pa-balloon ng konti dito sa sleeves. And polka dots din siya, guys. So, you can wear it talaga sa New Year's Eve. And guys, I got it sa Tiangge for 120 or 25 pesos. Guys, Ito, 'di ba, Living Coral kasi yung Pantone color of the year and I think it's very close to this color. So, sobrang perfect to start off yung 2019 nyo wearing something like this.